So because I actually upgraded my whole actual setup, I needed a more of a heavy duty style of a tripod. So obviously I wanted to mount my camera all rigged out, set up. So I kind of needed something that would withhold the actual weight. So I ended up going with the SmallRig Tribex, and one of the cool, I think they were actually featuring this at Cinegear 2026. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm probably about 80% sure that they were. So I ended up going with this. Again, this is the SmallRig Tribex. It does have a aluminum build, but it's also pretty lightweight. So one of the features that I'm really looking forward to testing this out on this actual tripod is this does have a one squeeze deployment. So here is a little handle. If you press on this button, that handle pulls up. And again, right now we're at the lowest setting on the actual tripod. So let's say, for example, I'm at a wedding or I just need to deploy the actual tripod really quick. All I gotta do is literally just press on this. Let go, and then we are fully extended. So super fast, super convenient, and it's also pretty lightweight. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and install the S5 II onto the actual Tribex. Now this is the actual mounting plate, which came with the actual tripod. So this right here does have a locking mechanism. So the way you do this is you align, and then boom, locked in, and there's a little lever here. What you got to do is pretty much tighten that up, and that's going to go ahead and give it more of a secure solid seal. But in order for you to remove it, you got to loosen this side, press on this button, and you're able to remove the actual camera. So again, snap in place, tighten from this side, and then you should be locked and loaded. All right, so that's just a quick little first look at the SmallRig Tribex. Really looking forward to testing this out. I really like how portable it is and lightweight, but definitely will report back to kind of give you guys my full final thoughts. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you're new, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.